This is lesson 5 for Typing Club. Today we're gonna talk about the S key. So first use your left hand ring finger to type the S key. And then use your right hand ring finger to type L key. And press space. And follow the instruction to practice typing S and L with the ring fingers of your left and the right hand, and don't move your fingers, and then don't look at the keyboard and only look at the screen. And this one is pressing the space key. Oops, I typed it wrong, so I'm gonna just skip it and press space and L, and then that's it. Enjoy!